Today I'm doing my persuasive speech on abortion. Did you know that on average, women give at least 3 reasons for choosing abortion? The debate on whether abortion is the right way to go or the wrong way to go is the main question. My answer is that I'm pro-abortion. I'm pro-abortion because certain circumstances arise, such as rape or incest, financial hardships, and lastly, I am pro-choice. Some main points that I'm going to talk about today are the different types of abortions, rape or incest, financial hardships, and why I'm pro-choice. 2 main types of abortions are surgical abortions and medical abortions. Surgical abortions can include dilation and aspiration, and dilation and evacuation. The method that the doctors use will depend on how long you have been pregnant, or what is called the gestational age of the pregnancy. Dilation and evacuation abortions are used in the second trimester of pregnancy, which is usually from 13 to 26 weeks during the gestational age. Dilation and aspiration abortions are usually used in the first trimester of pregnancy, which is usually 7 to 13 weeks gestational age. Some complications of surgical abortions could include infection, incomplete abortion, heavy bleeding, damage to the uterus or nearby internal structures like cervical tears, and possibly continued pregnancy. Medical abortions are usually called the abortion pill. The abortion pill is an alternative method where the patient takes a pill in the doctor's office and is sent home that day. She then comes back 2 days later for an additional pill and will begin to feel contractions working the fetus out and begin bleeding within several hours. 2 weeks later, she will then go to her doctor for a follow-up to see if the pregnancy has completely terminated. Some complications of the pill and side effects could include bleeding, blood clots, nausea, vomiting, and even diarrhea. The side effects that would be included are panic attacks, withdrawal from a relationship, depression, and flashbacks. My second main point of abortion would be due to rape or incest. According to Webster's dictionary, rape is the forcible impositions of a man on a woman for sexual intercourse. Did you know that 14,000 abortions per year are due to rape or incest? Most women choose to abort their baby when they are raped because it puts the rape situation in the past. Giving birth to a child from a sexual predator can be so difficult to explain when the baby is growing up. Raising your child draws back unwanted memories or flashbacks to the incident when the rape has occurred. The second point would be incest. Incest is sexual relations between persons who are so closely related that their marriage is illegal or forbidden by custom. Incest has lower percentages on abortions than rapes do. The approximate abortion rate due to incest is actually only 1%. And my third main point would be that I am pro-abortion because of financial hardships. Did you know that the National Network of Abortion Funds, which helps women pay for its national helpline, have quadrupled from a year ago? Some things I'm going to talk about are young women with financial hardships. High school and college students are more likely to have to abort a child because of the cost of a child than women who are older. Aborting a child could also be very costly, so many single mothers who are only making enough money to provide for them cannot afford for the cost of a baby. OBGYN visits and the prenatal care to ensure that a healthy baby also add on to the hospital expenses. A lack of adequate medical care during pregnancy places the newborn at a higher risk for complications during birth and in early infancy. The actual average cost to have a baby is approximately $10,000. Hospital birth, on average, costs $8,000 alone, and prenatal care can range from $1,000 and $3,000. The cost of raising a child from infancy to 17 years of age is expected to be $200,000, which to me seems like a lot. My fourth main point is that my last reason is why I'm pro-abortion is because I believe in pro-choice. Pro-choice is the belief that women have the right to choose to abort a baby from their body. Pro-choice is your decision, and it's your body and your baby, so you and only you have the decision whether or not you want to give give birth to your child. The pro-choice view is that a baby does not have human rights while it is in the mother's womb. Others choose to differ that if the baby isn't born, it doesn't get a choice. Pro-choice allows the mother to decide on how she will abort the baby. I'm pro-choice because I personally believe that you're the mother, that's your baby, and you should do what's best for your baby. And lastly, to conclude all of that I've talked about, there are 2 types of abortion: rape or incest, financial hardships, and pro-choice. 56% of Americans are against abortion, yet 44% of Americans are pro-choice. Although many people are against abortion, there are also many people who agree with my side of the argument. And this particular topic is a huge argument that's known worldwide, and we have yet to be able to resolve with a law because people feel so strongly towards it. I hope I persuaded you to be for abortion, because not only should you do what's right for you, but you should do what's right for your baby and the situation that you're in. Hope you enjoyed it.